All right, everybody, today it's pretty nasty, wet and rainy outside, so I hadn't planned on doing much. I've got to work tomorrow, and Hannah decided she wanted to go mess around in the creek, just walk around and run her trap line, and heard her coming back, and I said, well, I guess I need to get changed because I'm pretty sure she's got something in the traps. Well, she's what do you think, how many do you think you got? Roughly. 5 or 6. 4 raccoons and 1 possum. Alright, so we're gonna go down here and take care of them and probably reset the traps, and her and her mom can tend to them for over the next 2 days. Alright, ready? Mm-hmm. Alright. We got 2 more bandits.
He looks mean.
Why don't you go pet him? Mm-hmm. See how he's starting already?
Yeah, okay. I'm good.
Alright, so we're going ahead and we're going to take care of these 2, set these traps again, and go ahead and finish running her trap line for her.
That looks been knocked over.
Perfect shot. Put it on safety.
Ooh, that's
okay.
Slow.
Now, right like this. Right like this. Go ahead and shoot him in the head.
We can't laughing too hard. No, we can't.
On while he's distracted. Take your time, real slow. Put it on safety. Alright, so we got one more over here. This one is actually not in our dog proof trap. This one here is in our foothold trap, thinking we was going to catch a fox going into this hole. But what we did do the other day is we sprinkled some dog food around all these footholds. So that's where the coons are smelling them. So it sounds like we got a bunch of coons in our footholds today. So we're going to get them cleaned out real quick. But he's peeking at us right now. We're going to dispatch this one and reset the trap. Perfect. All right, you don't see? All right, perfect spot right here.
He's a mean one.
Take your time.
I closed my eyes right before I shot him.
Yeah. All right, put it on safety.
Ooh, it stings.
All right. Take your time. If you need to use that treat to lean on to make a good shot, squeeze the trigger real slow. Real slow, okay? Alright, safety. Okay. Let me go make sure you get a shot on you. Ooh, I heard a frog. Yeah, it's a good shot. Alright, so go ahead and go over there and unload it. Make sure the barrel's in the right direction, okay? Good job.
Today I got 4 raccoons and 1 possum just going through the trap line, just running through once, and I was actually surprised that we got any at all because today is really rainy. It's been pouring from like forever, so yeah.
Alright, so she did a pretty good job today on her trap line. So we're going to go ahead and just spread these animals out around these 4 footholds. We're not going to tie them up. Our area is getting really scented pretty good, and I'm assuming we should be able to bring in a lot of different canines and should start catching some coyotes here relatively soon. So far she's got is that 8 coons and 2 possums?
6 coons.
There's 2 coons over there?
2 over there, 4 here.
So that's pretty good for a 13-year-old trap line running by herself. I'm just out here kind of making sure everything stays safe and everything, and resetting some of the traps. They're pretty hard to reset. So yeah, she's enjoying it. It gives her something to do and being outdoors, and maybe she'll start skinning them and cleaning them and tanning them. Make some money.
Probably.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna get these things spread out and head out. Yeah.
Really? Hold on.
Just like Houston.
Nobody says smash the subscribe bell.
Houston does.
No.
You want to pound it?
It's Smash the like button. Thanks for watching the video. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We'll see you on the next video.